Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday here for me. Yes, I was not here yesterday. Market has been open nearly for a day for the week. So let me just share this. Welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note any trades that discuss this group would be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other. We're not financial advisors. So please don't take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure. A little bit about us as live session traders. So that's about it. So let's go and have a look. Charts, see what's going on. Start off with AUD CAD. This is a 30-minute and a 5-minute chart. So comments here. Welcome, Tom.
Hey, Brian.
How are you, mate?
Good. How are you?
No, yeah, I'm okay. Funeral went well yesterday, so that's good.
Good.
Yeah, we just got tomorrow that I won't be here in the morning because I got to go early again to something else. So
Okay. So
we'll
you will
catch
not
up.
be here tomorrow.
Correct.
Okay. And I won't be here Wednesday.
Oh, okay. No worries at all.
I
Oh,
get new
well,
glasses. Woohoo!
uh, what's that on Medicare or
What's that?
is that on Medicare? Is it or no?
No, it's through Kaiser.
Oh,
Kaiser
it's
Foundation, the medical company.
oh, okay. That's good. So, have you not had? Is this you need a new pair because of?
Oh,
Is that
it's been 4 years since I've had my last pair. So my eyes
okay?
are changing. That's all.
Yeah, no worries. Cool. All right, you'll be able to see things a little bit differently, maybe.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Right. Mm, Let's go through and uh, go and have a look through the pairs. I only just sort of started looking at it. So AUD CAD. Um, this is still doing 30-minute and or
Sorry, what?
he's still doing like a 30-minute and a 5-minute.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
good, good, good. All right then, no worries. Well,
You want to talk
yeah,
about a trade I just got into that you might be interested in?
sure, absolutely.
Go down to EuroCAD.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh,
EuroCAD, it tapped me in this morning.
for sell, for
Yeah,
buy.
so it pulled
Okay.
back and tapped
Yeah,
just
yeah.
tapped that white trend line.
Can you see that? Yeah, see it there. Yep. Bang.
Yeah, and so now it's pushing down again. And this is the
Hmm.
one I just got in this morning. And
All right.
the reason I got in it this morning was I had my high on my higher time frame.
Mhm.
I had the pullback that failed
Yeah. Just there. Yep.
just there. And then as it pushed, uh, there's there's nothing below back to that red line.
Yeah.
So I'm expecting this to push down to this red zone into the two zone.
Oh, right. Yes, yes.
Because it failed to go back up over that blue trend line that it made. Now
Yeah.
it may stop here and turn and go back up.
So what? You get out.
So what?
Yeah.
But I'm trying to pick that trade up for a quick, let's see, that'd be almost 3.5%.
Because of the stop loss that you can put on it. So
Right.
you didn't get this one here because it didn't have any gold indicator. Then just,
Well, that
yeah.
and it was Friday.
Oh, of course. Of
Yeah.
course. Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Yep. And then when it did this and pull back up, he went, okay, as soon as it starts to come back down again, I'll get into that. Okay, makes sense. No worries at all. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So you'll have to deal with spread at or will you just take off your stop and then put it back on again or at market changeover?
Uh, Kind of depends where it's at. If it's like this now, because I'm waiting for that next candle. That next candle is already flashing. It's gonna have a wick on it.
Yeah, okay.
So if it gives me that wick at the end of the candle, I'll stay in the trade and I'll just either remove it or just move it up 40 pips,
Yeah,
whatever.
okay.
But
Yeah.
if I don't get that wick and it wicks down to tap that
Yeah.
gold bar at the bottom, I'm out.
Yeah, 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 because it'll
So this candle is going to make or break this trade.
oh uh
Because if it double bottoms here, it's going to pull back up into the 80,
yeah, 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 yeah.
and that'll knock me out. So I might as well just take the loss quickly, depending on which way that
Yeah,
candle, which way
rather
that
than hang in there.
right, depending on which way that candle goes, is the way I'm going.
So it's starting to push further down now. I can see on the 5 minute.
Right, because it didn't break the low to the left.
To the left, yeah.
That gold bar sitting there with no wick,
Oh
all of
yeah,
them
over
down.
there.
One,
Yeah, yeah,
2, 3, 4.
yeah.
So even if it doesn't reach that far, I'm looking for it to get to that red line minimum.
Yeah. Be attracted back to the PAC.
Right. And the minute it gets to the red line, I'm out because I'm looking for a buy out of this.
Yeah. Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah.
On the daily
But you,
time frame, it says it's buying.
yeah, okay.
On my 2 hour, it says it's buying. On
Hmm.
my 30 minute, it says it's buying. But on this one, it's going to have to come down and sweep all this liquidity before it goes.
Before it does go to buy, yeah. Oh, it's going down, up, down. It's sucking in and out, in
Did
and
it
out.
just give me that wick?
I don't know on yours.
Oh,
Have a look.
no, not yet.
So, what if you're in six of these at one time and you got to jump from one to the other to have a look and see what it does? Is that what you do?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. I tend not to take my eyes off my trades if I can help it. But
Yeah.
but like you did the other day, you know how you started it, walked away, and you came back and it was
Yeah.
at your
Yeah.
profit.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I do. So because a pot of water will never boil while you're watching it.
Yeah. I know. I know. It's,
So I go back every, I don't know, hour
yeah.
and check until that trade's completed or until it's
Okay.
in such a good position I don't have to worry
That,
about it.
yeah, that you, yeah, leave it.
But it's this initial start where I kind of really keep an eye on it.
Yeah. And I guarantee that's exactly what you need to do too. It's, Okay. Yeah, no, it's not in the position yet. It's getting to the end of, oh no. Well, it's another 3 hours before changeover. So it's just sitting there
I
sort
got
of,
3 hours, man,
yeah, I know. I know.
on a 5 minute time frame.
Oh no, you got 4 hours. Oh, not quite. Not quite 4 hours. 3 and 3/4 in a way. Yeah.
3 hours and 45 minutes, basically.
Yeah. Yep.
And I get a
A
five
week.
minute candle.
Yeah.
Not that time matters to me because this is going to
No.
change when it wants to change.
Yeah. It's all about price, not about time. Okay.
Right, exactly.
Hmm. Yeah, doing a push pull at the moment. Okay. Well, that's interesting, that one. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. It does look like it's going to, after that sell, it's into the buy, isn't it, to break the high?
Hmm.
Okay. Good. All right. Well, let's go. Is there any others you want me to look at
No,
before
just
we
go through the list.
go through? Yeah. Okay. That's
Yeah,
good. Yeah.
yeah,
Just
absolutely.
show what's going on there. Okay.
I just wanted you
AD
to understand why I took that trade.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. AD getting a bit. Hmm. Coming down to there. All right.
Your higher frame says it's buying, right?
No, 30 minutes it's selling out.
No, that's buying. See how it's going to make a new high?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, yeah, that's fine. I understand that. But it's selling at the moment to make a new high.
Right, I understand that. But
Yeah.
just keep in mind, you don't want to even consider this trade until it says lower high on
Yeah.
your higher time frame.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Doesn't matter where that green arrow goes, that green predictor line. You're
Yeah.
just waiting for it to say high or low on your higher time frame before you consider the trade.
Yeah, because they're around that 20 now, isn't it?
What does it say right there? Does it say high or low?
High low. It says high low, yeah.
Okay, so now I would start looking for a turn,
Yeah. And a
regardless of where
gold.
that predictor says.
Yeah, a gold indicator. And then coming out of the 20.
Right.
Okay. That might be later this morning anyway. I think, now it's pull up match, then drop down, pull back, drop down, pull back, drop down. It creates sort of this knuckle with a wick up and down.
Yeah, that knuckle's going to let it travel another,
Yeah.
like to your left. If you go way
Yeah.
to your left, see too far.
Oh, this one.
Go to the knuckle where it shows the white lines crossing.
Oh
Uh,
yeah, over here. Or there. They're blue lines crossing.
well, wherever. If you
Yeah.
find the knuckle, it's going to show you that it does travel after it creates that knuckle.
Yeah, okay.
Even if it's by one brick, it's going to continue to travel.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We'll see. I'm looking at it for the to get the buy out of it. That's what this is as well, saying. So
Yeah, me too.
all right. ADCHF. Oh.
Yeah, look at that.
Hmm.
Okay, look at that, man. What is that telling you, dude?
Need to come back down here. Moved.
Okay, so you have your initial impulse at the bottom, which broke
Yeah.
structure.
It's going to pull back potentially to the 20 and then go back up again.
Right, but find where that 20 is on your lower time frame.
Oh, yeah, I got to move it. Sorry, I'm crazy. Oh, oh, which is here.
Okay, so with this one candle push, boom, you got a break of structure
Yeah,
on the lower time frame.
yeah, yeah,
It's
up here.
flagging back now in a flag pattern
Yeah, yeah.
back to that two.
True. Yeah, and then take off again.
So I would be looking, if this was me, which
Hmm.
I'm looking at this trade too, I'm looking for this to beat this triangled high on the lower time frame.
Yeah, this one again.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So wherever this says lower high on your higher time frame is when I want to
Uh,
get into this trade.
high or low, you mean?
Correct.
We're up here. Yeah, where it comes back down to 20, give you high, low, and then off it goes again. Okay.
So don't watch this lower time frame
No, 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 no,
until
no.
you get those two letters.
Yeah, yeah,
Don't trust any predictor to tell you where it's going. It's just giving you a general idea of the computer thinks it's buying. This
yeah,
could buy back up to this white trend line going across your higher time frame and push down.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so but that's the pattern it's taking right now.
Mm,
Now you have also no divergence here from the two different time frames,
hmm.
which will give you uh, a I forget what it's called. Anyways,
Check out that wick there, giving you this little push up and push back down.
yeah, yeah, just taking it, just taking
Yeah,
it.
yeah. So now it's going to come back down.
It's going to come down here and fart around somewhere. Even if it makes
Yeah,
a new low, it doesn't matter. I'm
yeah.
only interested in this when
Looks
it
like,
beats that white top with the triangle.
yeah, okay, yeah, yeah.
So my entry
Uh,
will be at the top of that white triangle
oh,
right
really? You'll
there.
wait till then.
Yeah, because that way I don't have to see it.
Oh, true, yeah. And if it parts around, it doesn't matter. It's whatever
Right. And my
you give
stop
to
loss
the,
will be at the two
yeah, yeah, okay.
because it's got to fail and not hit that two to go higher.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Grab a placeholder real quick, put one in.
Mm, yeah. Uh, potentially there or more.
No, do it up to your higher time frame
Oh, okay. There.
because that's where it's suggesting it's going to take out that
Yeah.
brick with no wick.
Yep, 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 yep.
So that's a what?
2.5, 2 3/4.
Two and a half. There you go.
Mm,
Now, if you come back any part of the time during the day, you see it down here in the two zone, and it
mm.
says, high or low, and it's
Yeah, I
giving you
know.
gold
Yeah,
brick and it's pushed and pulled back.
yeah,
That's your entry to get in. That's your trigger candle.
yeah, yeah, absolutely. Okay,
Okay.
come back and check it. ADJPY. Do I need to adjust that? No. Oh, yeah, just that. Yeah, so yeah, the change we did last week was to actually make it come right down into that lower into the section where you're able to take a trade.
Mm-hmm.
Now look at it sitting around at 80 ready to come down.
Yep.
But that POC is like, oh, like it's right. The actual volume is really interesting where it sits all up here. There's nothing down here.
So what does it got to come back
Yeah,
to
come back
pick up
down
all that
to,
liquidity?
yeah, back down to the 20.
Yeah, it's telling you it's going to come down.
And it's probably nearly time to get.
So
Yeah,
if you're going to set up a trade on this, what would you be looking for?
well, it's actually giving us what we need right now, really. It's come down, it's come back up to the 20. Now it's on its way back down.
Right. Do you have a gold bar?
Yeah, you do up here, yeah.
Right.
Absolutely. One, two, well, you'll have at
Has your
least
trend
another
line turned
candle.
white
I
on the higher
don't.
time frame?
Yeah, I know. Just hang on one sec. Let's bring that over there. Mm, no, not yet. Not yet.
And you have no
It's probably
higher low here or anything above that, right? Just that higher
just the
high.
high. Yeah, correct.
Okay, so grab a placeholder
hmm On the lower time frame or the higher?
on the lower time frame
Yeah, I thought so. Okay.
for short.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So that's that. It's already done up to there. It's back down below the 20. So it's all just ribbon around here.
That's accumulation.
Yeah, I know. So it's whether you get tied onto that or whether you go back down here. On the knuckle. Okay, so I'll just put it on to start with. So you've got the 20 there. Oh, the 80, sorry. Yeah, just got to wait for the trading view to come back. Come on, okay. There we go. Right, so there's the 80. So it's not
Okay, so
like
see your top
this
higher
one.
time frame.
Ah, yeah, that one, yeah.
Right. Take the bottom of that gold brick as your stop.
The new one. I know the bottom of the gold brick. Okay, gotcha. Well, I thought it was going to be about the 80, but which is there. Yep.
And then take
Entry.
that and take that first blue brick past that knuckle
Like below or above?
below,
Just there. Yep.
and then run your profit out on the daily on your higher time frame.
Yeah, it's really to there. Nearly 2%.
Hmm.
It's funny because yeah, I know, you got that. For me, I would be doing this, that on the 80, this on there.
And
But
that's how you should do it.
yeah, that's me. I'm a little crazier, maybe.
Well, leave it there. Just see if it works out that way.
Yeah, I will do. Yeah, because it's ready to start moving today. It's your Monday, so it's sort of like tomorrow start, tomorrow time. Okay, AD into D. This one's been still pushing up. Come on. Trading view's been a bit laggy. Oh, you can still hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's just trading view. Um, no, we'll go to another pair. No, here we go. That one's there. That's AUD Singapore. Let's go back to AUD NZD. Oh, yep, there we go. We got it. Oh, it did pull back a fair bit. Huh. I reckon we now. Okay. So now, because we've got that lower high, we can move this up to here. Yeah?
Uh, yeah, you can.
Yep.
Just know there's a chance that's going to disappear.
Yeah, I know.
So,
I'm okay with that, though.
okay. However, if that disappears, it means it's going to keep going down to make it disappear.
I understand that.
So, if you're going to look into getting into this trade,
Hmm.
then it has to fail to beat that low because you already have your higher low stated, if that makes sense.
Yeah, yeah, just there. That's right.
Right. Come
And
down, wick,
so,
take that glass gold brick, give you a new higher low, and off you go.
oh, no, it'll be there somewhere. Hmm, they're already. I'll go back up into here. So, yeah, now, yeah, that's right. So if it does, then we've got that. If it doesn't and it breaks down, then tough luck.
Right.
I think it'll buy, but that's okay. It's already done this. Like, well, I wonder if Darren was still in or whether that was enough to pull back. But along on that, out of the 20, if that makes the line back up to here, I reckon it'll go. Yeah, okay. I know. Yeah, oh no, there. Why is that there? What is that? Um, oh, yeah, because the week. Oh, that's weird. That's weird.
Hmm.
Do you see that?
I didn't see it. I'm sorry. What?
That's no, no, no. See that high there?
Yeah.
See it above on the higher time frame? It's way above. Well, it's quite a bit above where price is here, and it's even above where the wick is. Hmm. Hey, Darren,
Oh, Brian.
how are you? How was your
Darren?
weekend?
No, it was all right. Came and went in a flash, as always.
What was that?
Came and went in a flash.
Oh, it came and
Blink of an eye, as always.
went. For the working man, yes, okay. Hmm.
Yeah, if it's never going to line up.
No, I thought most of the time it does, but I'm just saying that that's what I'm looking at the moment. That's okay. Hmm. Okay. Good. That's the one to look at for market changeover. It doesn't break down there. If it does, well, hey, who cares? Like, you just set it up for that. So, okay, AD. Oh yeah, we were just saying, Darren, has that pulled back enough? If you had been in that AD into D still, that's quite a pullback, that one. It's only on
No,
30 minute. You don't know.
not,
Okay.
I'm not trading that anymore, as you know.
Yeah, no, you've given that the flick.
Yeah.
It's actually quite a big drop on like last Thursday, Friday. Anyway. Um, yeah. I think like Pepperstone had those two demo accounts. I think I don't know, this one I tried to log in, they've gone, nah. authorization failed. I think after a month they catch it off.
Yeah, if you've not traded, with no trades, yeah.
Well, it's been trading, so I don't know why
All
it cut
right.
it off. Anyway, I'll have a look later, but I was looking for that UCAD to see how the account was. It doesn't matter, it does because it's only demo, but let's
Yeah,
get
well, it's in
another
a couple
one.
of trades at the minute. Let's have a look. You can.
I might have been GBP USD, sorry. Oh, that was the Infinity one.
Oh yeah, still. Yeah, see, I've not taken any trades for a while on that now. So I'm still stuck in these buys and it's not taking any sells for a while. So the account was sitting there about 5% up, but in well, sort of 18% drawdown, something like that.
Right.
So
Yeah, wow. Okay. Yeah, because of
17.
those long-term ones.
Yeah.
They're just willing to sit there for it. So
I
that's
think
fair
for the
enough.
time being, and they're not really.
No.
Yeah, I'm not going to bail out on that at this
Hmm,
stage.
hmm.
Trust the EA.
Yeah, yeah,
That's what all the others are going. There's no drawdown on anything else at the minute. It's just that one.
going swimmingly, are they?
So it's quite good at the moment, really. Yeah. So look at you. I think Euro stable, no trades today yet on that.
No, Euro stable. I haven't seen anything. That's right. I mean, again, here, Tom, on Euro Singapore, it may break down past, but it may also take off. So I've moved it from the the higher low to a higher low above it. I'm just going to observe that one. I'll take a trade anyway. AUD I
Well,
think. Oh, sorry. Yeah, go back.
if I may suggest,
Yeah.
if that brick comes down and doesn't turn here on the higher time frame, you want to adjust your fibs to the higher lows before that.
Yes, correct. What it was there, and
Yeah.
I've moved
Oh,
it up
okay.
because it's
Okay.
created a new higher
Gotcha.
low. That's the only reason.
All right.
It's similar to the AD NZD. But I think um, it's important. Well, not important. I think it clarifies if you have the fib based upon the highs and the lows, or the lower highs or the higher lows. If it creates one, I think you need to keep consistent with it anyway as it travels along.
Yeah, I agree. But
Yeah.
for me, it's so close to that brick as it
Yeah,
is.
yeah, yeah. If
I
it
would just
breaks
set
it,
it up at the other one anyway. So
I'm going to do this and see what happens.
yeah, absolutely, dude.
Hmm. Okay, AUD USD. Might not get them all. You see, this is weird, isn't it? Because we've got a lower high here, right? But you got and now it's broken down there. So I'm staying down here because that one's been broken. So if the other two, like AUD Singapore and AUD NZD, if they break down, and then you've got to move your bid back, it's fair enough. Okay. Mm, okay. Now going down towards the more discounted amount. Okay. It looks like though it's just going to come down to 20 and then just push back up again. So we'll
Hmm.
wait. We'll wait to see that. That's going to be a bit further. It's not time, it's this price. Right, CAD CHF. Ooh. Looks like it's just going to come up to line and then just break off again, down. See where the line is? Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah, I see it.
we'll see if it does that. Okay. Head J. It's got ready to break that high. Hmm. What do you think? Back to the 80 and then take off again? I think
I
so.
no, it's buying.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think it's just going to buy back out of here. Okay.
yeah. I think this is its last
Oh,
push. I think that
okay.
on our higher time frame, where your green predictor line is on your higher
Mm-hmm.
time frame
Mm-hmm.
is the 618. So I
Okay.
need it to fail beneath 618 to turn to start the transition down now to come back to the 20 on your lower time frame. Does that make
Hmm.
sense?
Yeah, it's just, no, I suppose it's just hard for me to see it. That's all. I mean, I could see it, but hard for me to
Put it
invest in it.
together.
No, to invest in it.
Oh, oh yeah, absolutely. It it's
Because
a
it
waiting
doesn't
game at
show
this
me
point.
enough. It doesn't show me enough at the moment to be committed to any trade on it. That's
Oh
what I'm
no,
saying.
absolutely not. I've got
Yeah,
I've got
yeah,
trades set up where my
yeah,
placeholder is for like
yeah,
when it reaches there in a few days.
yeah. Yep,
I'm
yep,
just
yep.
not willing to play with it.
No, okay, next. CHF JPY. Yeah, it's just got to be more convincing. That's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's ready to take off. Yeah, I don't know. Predictor says it is. Not it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Gonna, I'm gonna change some of the colors on these on this volume, I think. That blue and white become too confusing for blue and white on the fuse.
Whatever
Okay.
you need to do, dude.
Yeah, yeah. No, see the if I go to predictor style, what do we got? Which one is it? That's the high there, it's the blue. I don't know what we changed it to. Might be better if that's a green. Yeah, that's better. And that one is make that a yellow, I think. Yeah, okay. That's better. So if it's, yeah, see in the red, between the red and green, it's in pretty much, I think this will, I don't know, the high time frame here saying it's going to buy out, but it's in this
Hmm.
sort of like whole premium level. And
Hmm.
anyway, again, it's not giving me what I need at the moment to make a decision. So, all right, your AET. Hmm. What do we got here? Okay, so yeah, I'm not willing to change this from that lower high down to that lower high. And yeah, mucking about, isn't it? Look at that. Yeah, I'm not willing to convince on that one either. Okay. And you're CAD's the one that you've already just jumped into for that cell. Oh, good. It's created that other break. And just see whether it turns at that trend line or not. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, good. Euro CHF. Oh, that's interesting. Look at it here.
Hmm.
Get ready. Mucked around. When's this from? Yeah, Friday. And now, okay, placeholder. A little long on that. Think it'll come back down?
Yes.
Okay.
You got a double bottom sitting there with those two white bricks. You got no wick on that blue
Yeah.
brick behind your white line. It hasn't tapped the two yet to fail.
Yeah. Mm.
So my entry is below those two white bricks, and my stop is below.
Wow, that close.
Huh?
Yeah, that close.
Yeah.
Where's your entry?
No, my entry is below the two white bricks.
Oh, right. Okay. Sorry. Entries below the bricks. Yeah, add to 20. Yeah.
And my stop is, you see that white candle with the wick?
Yeah, I know. That's what I saw. You're at the bottom of that.
I'm at the bottom of that.
Yeah. Yeah. I thought it was too close, but anyway, we'll see. Let's just be conservative for there. 4%. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's better. That's better. That's better. Much better. Okay.
Oh, you're doing it on the higher time frame.
Which, yeah, this one, yeah. That's
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Oh, I just put it there. It's similar to the thing, so it's okay. It's because I was using the wick, that candle off that one, so hard to pick it off there. Okay, you're a GBP. Oh my God, what the hell have I done there? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Give me. Oh, this would have been a nice trade if I had it. Yeah, okay. Now we've got a higher low, whether it bounces off here and pull back up again. The back in the discount range, we'll just see if it pushes down that bit further to the 20 and then take off. All right, get the buy back out of it. Okay, Euro JPY. Oh, yes. Oh, no, something that's right. Oh, right. Push right up into it. Okay. Do you think the closeness of the volumes to, like the high to the POC or the low to the POC matter?
In what way?
Well, what I see is when they're closer together, it's tending to push further, where if they're further apart, it's um, that's further from the POC down to here. I mean, eventually it'll want to come back down, but the point is the action's all up here at the moment because of where that POC is in relation to the premium.
Right. Okay. However, if you look basically historically all the way back, every time there's a higher high with a triangle and a gold bar,
Yeah.
you can see the push away from it.
True. Yeah, yeah. It's pushed away, but it looks like it's wanting to break up past it. It has. It's already gone up past that
It
high.
doesn't matter whether it goes past up it or not. It's just making a new high
Yeah.
overall. The
Yeah.
amount of volume that's up there is just tons. That's
Yeah.
why
That's what
they're
I'm
so
saying.
close together
That's
because
good. Yeah.
everybody likes that price. They can't decide which
Yeah.
way they want to go on it.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So they're
That's right.
fighting it out. So regardless of which way this goes, even if it goes a little higher, 8 Brents, it doesn't matter.
Mm.
It's going to come ripping through this bottom.
Back down and sell. Yeah.
Eventually, yes.
Yeah, but it may do this as the predictor line. I mean, it'll pull back up again before it drops off fully.
Or it just may turn here and shoot down as hard as it can. We have no idea.
Yeah,
All
true.
we're being told is with the predictor line is something's going to happen in this area.
Yeah.
Volume's telling you it's going to
Yeah,
happen
it's
in this
happened.
area.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
And
about.
there's no way it's going to maintain that value because it's going to have to be sold off for
Yeah.
a cheaper price to get back to that 20
Yeah.
so they can profit out when they buy it back up.
Yeah. Okay. ADNZD. Yeah. Yeah. This is not
Look at
we come
that.
up 20, look at it drop off. Yeah. I know. weird up here though. Still, it is mulling around a fair bit though.
Mhm.
You reckon it'll take off?
I don't know. All I know is it's both trend lines are in damn near in the 20 zone.
Yeah,
All three, I should
right.
say, are almost in that 20 zone.
Yep.
So again, your red POV line is very
Hang on.
close to that bottom white line, which means all the volume sitting there. And typically,
Yeah.
if you're going to shoot out of somewhere, it's taking everybody's money with you.
Yeah. Yep.
So we may just get a nice pullback here, sweep those highs real quick, and then push down further. Well, that push down further on the lower time frame, the push up will sweep all these liquidities with no wicks back to your green POV line right there. Tap it, push down
Yeah.
harder, and make a new low. That's one way of looking at it. Because if you raise your screen up just a little bit, you can see over here to your left, there's no wicks and knuckles right down there to your left.
Yeah. Oh, there's a wick there.
No, on the lower time frame where your blue triangles are at the
Oh,
bottom over
yeah,
here.
yeah. Okay. Yeah,
See the knuckles above
these
them?
ones. Yeah, the two. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm looking at this one of two ways. Either this is going to turn at some point and come shooting down to take out one of these knuckles before heading back up. Probably the one that doesn't have the wick. That bottom one doesn't have a wick, does it?
No, it does.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, they
Oh,
both have
man.
wick. They both have wicks going down.
And it's going to come back to the
This
top of
one
that
doesn't
one that
have a
doesn't
wick.
have one.
The top one doesn't have a wick
That's
going
what
up.
that's what I'm pointing out right there. Perfect.
Yeah, yeah.
And then spike down, and away we go. Or this may say, I'll leave those till we come back. That's why you got it turning up at the top on the predictor to come back, make a new high, and then come back to these.
Okay.
So I'm watching this either way. If it starts running one way, I'm getting in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but at the moment it's just accumulating. Yeah, lollygagging. That's right.
It's collecting people's money.
Yeah, yeah. Singapore. I'm gonna check these ones. Yeah, it's still in that. Yeah, okay. So much easier to see now with the colors different. Good. I reckon this will potentially push back out. Wow. Yeah, I know what. Again, that Singapore's a bit of a right. Euro USD. We don't do too many more. Oh, see, look at that. Again, like even on here. See where it's up here at premium, and now these two are close together. So it needs to come back. Gonna potentially come back here to then take off if it's going to. Okay. Actually, I don't know what we've got. Yeah, we're not in any trades, are we, with Euro stable? Are you in trades, Darren? What do you see?
No, not any trades on Euro stable.
But all it's been doing is the whole time we've been in it, it's been taking sells. Okay. It's not set to only take sells, but it is only taking sells. It's interesting. Okay. Hmm. Okay. All right. And GA. I'll see if we can get down to GU before I need to go. Get off again. Yeah, move, don't they? Just ever so slightly sometimes. Right. I've been premium at the moment. Oh, we're nearly at the 80. Hey? Oh,
Yeah.
GA.
Yeah. Just give you a nice little sweet double bottom
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. Okay. And it's nearly to the 80. I will just see if it pushes up higher or it just comes off that 80 back to the 20. That would be nice.
It just
Um,
hit it.
sorry?
It just hit it.
No, it didn't. Hasn't touched it yet, but it's close. Oh, you mean on the high table? Yeah, it's poking up and yeah, it'll probably make it.
It's over on mine.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, Brian,
Things are
I've got a
different.
dash. Just realised.
No worries, Joe. That's all
I've
right,
got
man.
to
You
nip
got
out
lots of.
somewhere.
Yeah, you're an important person, so no worries at all.
I'm in
Okay.
demand. I'll
Yeah. Into it. Yeah. Catch up. I won't
See you
be. I
later,
won't be
Darren.
on. I won't be on tomorrow morning. That's all.
all right. So it'll be
I've got to get out early, so it'll be day after, and Tom won't be here. But you can hang out if you want. Okay.
yeah. Catch the day after, yeah. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
No worries.
Great.
Ciao.
Cheers, bye.
So GA. That looks good, eh?
It looks good to me. Yeah.
At the moment. Let's just wait and see how
I'm
turns
just
out.
looking for failure at that gold brick on the top left side.
Yeah, this one over here. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
that's the last high it's got to break and stay
Uh-huh.
below to keep
Yeah.
going down.
Okay. That's a good one. I'm looking for that. Okay. Um, GBP card. Ooh, yeah, I don't want to change it to there at the moment. Oh, good. It's just been lollygagging around too. Not really doing a lot, is it?
It just
Up,
tapped that
touch, down,
75 in that
up, touch.
brick.
Yeah, I know. Let's see what happens.
Ooh, yes. Okay.
You like it, do you?
Oh, I'm setting up right now. I'm going to take that low. Make sure my volume's right.
Back down to the 20.
Come on, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay, 1 second. Hold on. Let me get all my stuff. Make sure it's right. To the, oops, to the pip. All right.
This for sell.
No, it's for the buy.
Okay, you're going to buy back up. Okay.
Yeah, you see your higher time frame predictor?
Yeah. I
Okay,
can see
so
it.
I'm looking for failure here. So when this pulls back, because I already have a lower high
Oh,
on the
yeah.
date on the higher time frame, I'm looking for a higher low to
Yeah.
get into the trade. So I'm setting this up as saying this is going to pull down and beat this last gold bar here,
Yeah. And then take
or
off.
not. and take off. So I'm
Yeah, okay.
taking my last right there where that yellow volume line is. Do you see the
Yeah.
wick below it?
Yes, I do.
That tiny little piece of wick. That's my stop.
Yeah, okay.
And my entry is at the top of the gold bar on yours, that
Yeah.
blue brick,
Yeah.
just above it that created it.
Okay.
Do you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I do. I do. Okay. Yeah,
So that's
well,
the trade I'm looking at. So that's what it has to do to satisfy me to take that trade.
okay. Well, I'm not comfortable with it at the minute, so it's all right. We'll see how you go. We'll have a look, not tomorrow, the next day. Okay, GBP Wow, double bottom.
Yep.
Hopefully that could nearly come down to there. Wow. Okay. So these ones are more of a challenge for me, where they break the lows or highs. Okay.
In what way, Brian?
Oh, in what way is
How
that?
is it challenging to you? What do you mean?
Okay, so from the point of view of the 80-20 sort of setup, it's easy. If it's in here, it's come, it comes back to 20 and then pushes back up to 80, that's fine. But if it's in here and it's in sort of like the middle of nowhere and then it's going to drop out and break the low, it's just a little bit more difficult to see for me to make a decision of where this is going to fail to push down. Fail, then push down. Sorry, that's probably what the better wording.
Okay.
But it's okay.
Uh,
It's just me seeing it at the moment. That's all.
okay.
I'm not, I'm not fast. I'm just saying my head's trying to work it.
No, I hear you. And an easy solution to this is, seriously, if I could just give you one tip of advice,
Yeah.
don't trade in the middle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Make it tell you it's coming out one side
Oh,
or
yeah.
the other.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. So not in between the 80-20. It's got to be down below the 20 to keep pushing to break. Okay.
Exactly. If it's not in
Yeah.
that
Okay.
80-20, let it go, man. You ain't missing
Yeah.
nothing,
Yeah. No, that's what I'm saying.
especially on the 5 minute chart.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. GJ. Happy with that change on the colors on that.
Volume.
Yeah, so much better. Just me.
I'm just trying to set you up, man. If you want to change your chart any way you want, absolutely. You ain't hurting my feelings, dude. You
No,
do
it's okay.
you.
Yeah. Well, you're doing you, so it's good. And then we just compare.
I just wanted us on the same page.
Yeah, I just changed the colors because it was overlapping and it was confusing me.
Sure.
Like, where's this? Where's that? Okay. Right here. There's a GJ. Look at this to push up, pull back, and then push off again. Okay. GN. No, go back. Yeah, go down a little bit there. Okay. Yeah, no, it's nothing to do at the moment there. Potentially, like it's in between that A20. So let's see if it does break down, it'll have to come down here and break this and then pull up and then push down. Okay, GPP Singapore. Which is it? Still sitting in this lower section here, just bouncing around on the POC. Hmm.
What does your overall say? Your overall predictor?
It's saying it's going to buy. Hang on, I'm going to go to the daily and see. No, sell. Sell out. Predictor saying sell out. But it is in this uptrend though. So,
Mhm.
but it's broken down at a lower high and now it looks like it wants to push down. Okay.
So what's it going to need?
It's going to need to come and sweep and then push back down again. If it is, it's a bit of a don't know. Again, it's the Singapore, so it's not that. This has been going crazy sideways since back the end of October. So it's not anything that's a great potential. Let's go to GU. Can I make this the last one? I've got to get going. That and that. Uh, oh, okay. There's also been going a bit sideways too, but not too bad. Okay, buy up. So when's that going to happen? Whenever it likes, eh? I think I have to push down like that. We've got this going. I think it will push back up again.
Do you think it's going to come back to the 20?
No, well, yes, correct. I think it'll come back to 20 and then push back up to the 80 out of there. So it's not time to jump into it at the moment. Look at these fake outs. Look at this fake down and fake up and then pulls back again and just goes sideways. Freaks. If you did the pull back, you just get out. It's the way it is. Yeah, well, I think it'll potentially pull back to 20 like it did here, but maybe
Mhm.
not break it and then push off. So just keep watching that one. Anyway, I've got to go. Sorry.
Nope, no worries, man.
I'll have a look at some of the other ones. There's not many more to have a look at, but yeah, I'll see what else is going on. All right then. Won't be here tomorrow then, and then you
Okay,
won't be here the day after. All right, no worries.
right.
But you'll be able to see clearly though.
Exactly.
Okay, no worries.